Ningbo Sunlong Imp and Exp Company Limited, located in Cixi City, Zhejiang Province. It is 50 kilometers from Ningbo, 120 kilometers from Shanghai, and 100 kilometers from Hangzhou. Ningbo Sunlong's wholly owned parent company is Ningbo Shengtai Factory, which specialized in the production of various kinds of drilling screws, wood screws, and non-standard fasteners for more than 30 years. Located in Hangzhou Bay New Area of Ningbo, the company occupies an area of 5,000 square meters, employs more than 50 people, and owns more than 100 sets of machines and equipment, including 40 cold pier machines and 30 silk rubbing machines, more than 20 large lengthened head rubbing machines, 6 tail drilling machines, 8 cutting machines, 3 lengthened tail cutting machines, 6 straightening machines, 10 screw threading machines, 4 lengthened cushion threading machines, and 1 own heat treatment production line. The monthly output can reach more than 500 tons, 30 to 40 containers. Strictly control the use of high-quality steel production at the same time. The factory is also equipped with a tack speed testing machine, torque testing instrument, mirror phase analyzer, cutting machine, grinding machine, and other full set of testing equipment for high-quality products escort. Our main markets are Germany, Italy, Poland, Czech, Russia, Ukraine, India, Greece, UK, etc. Adhering to the tenet of quality for survival, efficiency for development, and customer for center, the company sincerely serves the vast number of new and old customers to seek common development.